Let me teach you how to combine your picture with AI to get a lot of ideas. So your pictures can be used to get a lot of ideas using this app. So what do you need to do when you get to your Midjourney? Just click on the plus button over here, get your picture, go to your camera, either your camera or your library. Let me see whether it's going to bring my, it's not bringing that. I need okay, let me just scroll down. Okay, let me just look for any picture of mine, especially some the ones that are not that bad. Okay, I snapped this in church some days back. Let me see whether, so I dropped this. So by the time you drop this, so it is actually dropping. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, I click on it, then I click on the three button, then I click on browse, then to go to my browser, then I will copy the link. So that's what I'm going to do. I copy the link. It's not bringing the link. Okay, I click on the link, is there, copy USSR URL, then I go back to Discord and I write slash imagine. I paste that same link, space imagine or realistic photography lights, photography lightning. Let me see other things, other elements I can add to this to see the kind of okay, let me generate with this first, then let me look for another slash again, because sometimes I don't used to be lucky in this. It normally spoil my image to something else. Let me see whether, okay, let me add um painting. It's turning me to black man at this point, and I'm not a black man. So it has turned me to one Indian boy. This is my white version. This is my Asian version. This is my German version. This is my let me see. I'm thinking of getting good result with this. You can give it a try with your own picture so that you can get a very nice result. But for now, I've not been getting results good for the past few months with my picture. Okay, black realistic or photography elements. Okay, then let me also see this. You can ask him to generate for you your old picture, how you will look like when you are old. I've done that one before. Is it because I over smile? I don't know. Okay. Hmm. So It's not really bringing what I want. Look at me over here. Wow. So this is how it works, combining of pictures. You can combine your own picture. Let's see the kind of results you are going to get. Thank you.